In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms for voting. Creating a voting form with Microsoft Forms is a straightforward process that can be incredibly useful for gathering opinions, feedback, or making decisions. Whether you're new to this platform or need a refresher, let's walk through how you can set up a form efficiently and effectively. First, you'll need to navigate to your Microsoft account. Open your preferred browser and head over to the Microsoft website. Once you're there, sign in if you haven't already. Your Microsoft account serves as a central hub, giving you access to the full suite of Microsoft applications available to you. Now, look towards the upper left corner of the page and click on the App Launcher, represented by a grid of dots. This will reveal a range of apps available within your Microsoft package. If you don't see Microsoft Forms right away, don't worry. Simply click on More Apps to see the full list and locate Microsoft Forms. With the Forms app opened, you will notice an option named Forms that you can click on to start. Once the Forms interface loads, find and click on the New Form option. This is where you will begin building your voting form from scratch. Next, you're going to need to add a question. To do this, click on the Choice button. This allows you to set up a question where the users can pick from a set of options. It's perfect for votes or polls where participants choose from a selection. Now it's time to customize your form. At this stage, you have the flexibility to tailor your form to your specific needs. You can tweak the title, add a description for more context, and start adding questions that align with your voting subject. Adding questions is straightforward. Simply click on Add Question and choose the Choice option. Here, you will input the question you want people to answer, followed by the various options voters can select from. For example, if you're hosting a vote on a theme for an event, your question might be, which theme should we choose for the upcoming gala? With options like Enchanted Forest, Masquerade Ball, or Beach Party. As you build your form, consider including as much detail and clarity as necessary to ensure participants understand what is being asked. A well-structured form not only guides users smoothly, but also helps you gather more reliable and meaningful responses. Once set up, you can preview your form to see how it looks and make any necessary adjustments. This gives you a chance to experience it exactly how your respondents will. And that's it for setting up a voting form using Microsoft Forms. Once complete, share your form to start collecting votes from your intended audience. By mastering this tool, you've opened up a simple yet powerful way to gather insights and make informed decisions with ease. Keep engaging with this platform to discover more features and functionalities, and happy form building!